Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily use Aura productivity management tool for your business or for your personal use, or if you're an employee. Now, if you're starting out with this video, you will have a link down below in the description. And if you're gonna have any questions guys about Aura, like if you have specific question about how to use Kanban boards, Scrum, Chat, whatever, ask me down below in the comments and I will create a video on that. So without further ado, let's start. Let me copy the email and let's go together. Now, here we go. First, I'm going to add a password, full name, and username. Now click sign up. And how to hear about it, let's say event. I'm going to click everything so I can have everything. Do you want to learn about new major releases? Okay. Continue. So in the moment when you're gonna click here, you're gonna see and choose a theme. So my recommendation, if you're working in a night, go with the midnight, or let's go with the super black. So we have an option. I really like the Noir here, or Rust, or Midnight. These are my favorite. Of course, you can change them in the future. So what's the name of the team organization? How big is the company? What kind of company is it? Let's go marketing. What's your role? I will just fill this up. Business owner. If you've got already filled this up, we are going to see each other in the project. Our manager, yes, no. Then when you already finish everything, you have to add an email address. You're gonna press skip and continue, and schedule a free call with our coaches. You can do that, or you're gonna click here, skip call, and finish. And voila, here we got it. So first thing first, I'm going to click here, create a new project. This is the first step. You can choose between templates. So you're gonna have the simple pipeline, to-do list, or simple board. I will go with the pipeline, but I want to show you what I can find on the left. Then you have the public here, or the software, the Scrum, Agile, Kanban, product development, issue tracker, or business. Business is Canvas, meeting agenda, freelance, project management, or marketing. I'm going with a general, and we are going to do it together and build up together. But then if you want, you can use also templates. What is it called? Let's go YouTube channel. You can change the icon also, and the background. Then visible to who is going to be visible. And here we are. I created it on create a project, and we got it then. So first thing first, on the right side you would find the things that you can do. So as a create 5 tasks, clarify tasks by adding details, a label, a card, set a due date. We are going to do everything here. So first thing first, what we can find here. On the left side, we're gonna see our project, our personal welcome project. Then we can see we can create project, we can create a to-do list, a simple board, simple pipeline, choose from template. You can import project or create an organization. So we have all these things that you can do. Then also on left side, you can see your all projects. Then you can see agenda. So what are your tasks that you need to do? Then when we go further, we can see the timeline on what is happening. When we are going to fill everything in our project, we're gonna see everything in the timeline. Then you can see also reports here, and that's pretty much it. Now, when you're right here, what we can do. So this is our YouTube channel. We can change the background, we can duplicate the project, export it. We can simply switch between board, table, calendar, or I can simply add views. So I can add a timeline here, and I can also add a list here so we can see all. And now let's get to the adding a task. So in the to do, I'm going to simply add a task here, and I will add, let's say, YouTube video. Click add. Then I can add YouTube channel. I mean YouTube thumbnail. Now I would click on a YouTube video here, and what I can do in my task. So you can see I can attach a file, I can label it, I can add a new checklist flow, let's say for description, and click add. So these are like the description here. So I would add title, then I would add another checklist for the YouTube video, which is going to be comment, affiliate links, and this is how I can add a checklist. I can vote it up, I can watch for updates, or I can move to setup task repeat. You can save it as a template, duplicate it, etc. Now, when you have it, you can even add a description here, and right under the title of your task, you can assign it, right? You can assign it to myself, then I can plan it, and I can set a deadline. So as you can see, it's going really well, and I got also those points here, and you can write also a comment. So in the moment when I have it, I will just cancel it, and then what I can do, you can simply move your task between to do, review, done. And now you can also label a card or clarify tasks by adding details. So this is how it works. You can go also on a list here, and you can all like add a task. You can add a list actions, move all cards, select all, duplicate list, delete list, or you can go also on the timeline, and I can clearly see that right here. So this is the deadline. So I can have like full here, look at this, fully booked, 7 hours booked, 7 hours available. So this is how it pretty much works in a project and in milestones. This is the timeline for it. So this is how it works, and this is how you can simply move with it and work with it. On the top left, I can go again to like adding a to-do list, and I always create a new project, simple board and project plus pipeline, bam, project. So this is how it pretty much works. You can go from the template, as I mentioned, and I can go with a business. Let's say I'm going to go with a business canvas. Voila, and you see it's different here. You can go again with a different one. So you get many templates here that you can use as a software or agile. See? And this is how it actually works. Of course, guys, you can change and edit the list. So to do can be in progress, and then I can simply move it here and move it here to done. And then what I can do, I can vote up, it's already completed, or I can simply cancel it. So this is pretty much it how the Aura project management works. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.